Want to know a super easy way to fix this old scratched photo and make it unbelievably colorful in just seconds? First, I opened this photo in Photoshop and tried using the spot healing brush tool a few times. But honestly, it wasn't easy and didn't fix it perfectly. In fact, it ended up damaging the photo even more. Then I tried the patch tool, but had the same disappointing results. That's when I found a much easier and more perfect way. Using AI. All you have to do is open ChatGPT, click the plus button, and upload the photo you want to edit. Then simply type, "Fix this image," and hit the generate button. Give it a few moments and wow, check this out. It's actually perfect. Honestly, even Photoshop couldn't achieve this level of perfection so quickly. But wait, that's not all. I also needed a colorized version of the photo. So I typed, "Need colorful," and clicked generate again. Look at this result. It's unbelievable, right? It's colorful, sharp, and just perfect. So try this method yourself and save a ton of time. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and make sure to check out our channel. We share a lot more about awesome AI platforms and tools. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our updates.